All right, good afternoon, friends. I believe you guys can hear me out, and I would like to request each one of you to please introduce yourself. Hi, Niharika. You will be able to write down chat in the chat. So one after the other, please introduce yourself, and I'd be very glad to know who all are there before we begin. So I think we have Niharika first, who has posted hello in chat. We have Kausar. Hello, Kausar. How are you? I believe I have been. Uh, yeah, I'm taking your name properly. Sneha. Hi. Hitakshi. Hi. Okay. Hello. I'm Niharika Sharma, working at Enterprising Indian. Welcome, Niharika. We have Siddiqa Zahir. So I believe it is Siddiqa Zahir. If I'm speaking your name correctly, just say yes. Okay, we have Pushpesh Pathak, management trainer from Ahmedabad. Welcome, Pushpesh. Thank you very much. Glad that you are here. Kausar is saying I'm good, very good. Okay, so Siddhika, thank you very much for approving that I'm, uh, pronouncing your name correctly. All right, we have Meet. Hi, good afternoon, Meet. Welcome aboard. And I'm just still waiting for other attendees to join in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 uh, attendees who are online and waiting for another 1 or 2 minute maximum to begin the session. It's already 4 now, and we are going to begin very soon. Just waiting for another 1 or 2 minutes. Only thing I would like to clarify out here, which I'll keep on doing it in between as well, as the participants would join in after some time as well. So first of all, what you can do is you need to use the chat as much as you can. That is number one. Number two is that while there are discussions that's going on, you need to jot down your questions, and just please do not just post it in the chat, because then it would become very difficult for me to kind of scroll it up or scroll it down and find your question and answer it in the question and answer section. However, you can write down that I have a question. That much you can write down. I have a question, and should we have time, and if we are at a place where I can ask you to go ahead with your question, I am sure you all can hear me out. So I'll just speak it out that please type your question, and we'll wait for that participant to type the question, and I would answer the query or question right there and then. So first of all, to begin with, let me share with all of you, or let me welcome all of you. We have Divyansh here, who is also there, who was yet to introduce himself. So welcome, Divyansh. And what I have done is that this is the first free webinar of uh, uh, Fact of Success, which is the name of the program. And we have, out of our experience, whatever or whosoever are interested in joining the program, they generally have certain set of questions, so which is known as FAQs. So frequently asked question is what we call them. So what I'm going to do is that I have prepared the questions as well as the answer of the question for about six or seven questions, and all those question and answer I would be speaking, I would be sharing out here. The good news is that we have recorded the pre text or pre-designed pre-scripted videos that includes the answers of all these six questions, and we are going to put it on our Metaversity YouTube platform by tomorrow. So after the session, should you have any concern or if you want to revisit them all, you can very well subscribe to our Metaversity YouTube channel, and will be able to see the videos by latest by tomorrow evening. It will be uploaded. So that is there. Another thing I just would like to tell you is that this is a free webinar which has been specifically designed for the people who are interested to become part of the paid program, which is Fact of Success. So with this, I believe, let me begin. And let me begin with the first question or first FAQ. Is that who are you, or what's the organization, or what is the program? So introduction is very much important. So let me begin with a small story with all of you. And the story goes like this, that, there was a student and there was a teacher in India a few thousand years back. Or let me say, there was a guru and there was a Sishya in India. And the Sishya had a very high intellect from his childhood. And he wanted to taste the might of his guru, that how much the guru is capable of, before I consider him as my guru. So what he did was, the Sishya, without informing anybody, he went to the asan, that is the place where the guru used to sit and impart the knowledge. He went there and he put a coin of 1 rupee under the carpet on the asana. So what has happened is that this student was aware that the guru is a devotee of Ma Saraswati, that is knowledge, and he has kept himself away from Ma Lakshmi, that is the money or the finance part. So he just wanted to check that whether whatever he's claiming, is it correct or not. And the student went back silently and got merged into the group of other students and sit back and waited for the guru to come. As soon as the guru arrived and was trying to, or about to sit on his asan, he immediately stood up and he felt like a electric shock. And he said that today there is something wrong with this place, and everybody was amazed that how come something can go wrong. And in that particular context, what has happened is that suddenly people or the students also stood up and went there and tried to find out that what's wrong. That's where they found a coin which was being kept by that student. And everybody at that point in time were absolutely amazed that how this can happen, how this person come to know that this is something that has happened, and somebody has played a game or tried out something else. And that was the moment from where the student who actually tried to test his guru became his lifelong disciple. And not only that, he devoted himself, he surrendered himself to the guru. So my dear friends, you would be aware that that particular student or that particular shishya was none other than Swami Vivekanand, and the guru was Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So why have I begin with this story? Is because the very fact of you guys being here is that you want to learn something, and you want to learn something from me. You want to learn something through the medium of Metaversity and Refire. So let me tell you that you guys have all the rights to know who am I and what am I as a guru or as a person who's going to guide you through this program. So with this note, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Joshipura. I was born in Rajkot and I was brought up in Junagadh. I did my graduation, till graduation I studied in Junagadh. Then I did my master's into endocrinology from Vallabh Vidyanagar. It's been about more than 2 decades that I am pursuing a career either as an employee. Now since about 8 years, it's like an employer, because I started my journey of Metamorphosis, which is the parent company. I'm founder and managing director of that in 2012. As far as the other accolades are concerned, other hobbies or other expertise are concerned, I have tried my hands into photography. I have tried my hands into painting. I have done 6 years official course into Bharatnatyam, that's dancing. I am a performing art actor. I have done my movies. I have written serials on DD National and other places. I have written movie scripts. I have written lyrics also. I am a poet as well. I was an NCC student also, and NCD cadet, and I hold in 1996. I was one of the few people who is holding A plus rank into C certificate, which is the highest. And generally, in any state, you get in a particular year, you get 2 to 3 students or cadets only who get A plus certification. 1995, I walked on Rajpath on Republican Day parade, and I have also been awarded by the President's Scholarship via NCC. Uh, Coming to my professional career, I have won many accolades. I have done my diploma into sales from Ahmedabad Management Association. I have done my training to certify the soft skill trainer. So I am a lead faculty and a master faculty for 19 to 20 different soft skills for train the trainer program as well. Then I am awarded by Global Leadership Forum as the most versatile entrepreneur in 2016, and in 2013 I was been awarded as a most innovative trainer of the year by Indian Society of Training and Development. We as an organization also have our name in the Indian Book of Records, as I'm talking referring to Metaversity and Metamorphosis, where we have trained the highest number, that is 7,000 plus participants across India in a single day, deploying more than 45 faculties, and it was online and offline both the trainings that was conducted. So these kind of accolades we have as I have as a person. Now, talking about Metamorphosis and Metaversity, it's an 8-year-old venture, Metamorphosis, and Metaversity has just born. It's our new baby. It's our new venture, and one of the first few programs. I'm very glad that I'm sharing the information with you over the platform of Refire. So this is one of the first program. As far as Metamorphosis is concerned, we are into physical trainings where we actually go there and impart the training. As far as online training is concerned, we are doing it in Metaversity platform. And at Metaversity, we offer about 150 plus programs in 3 different languages, that is Gujarati, Hindi, and English. And there are very many programs that we are going to come and we are going to share out here on the platform of Refire, who's going to be our out and out partners as far as our webinars and our training programs are concerned to begin with. So at this point in time, I also would like to thank Refire for creating such an amazing platform for Metaversity to deliver their world-class programs to each one of you who are here. Now, coming to the program, Fact of Success. Now, why Fact of Success, or what is about Fact of Success? So, as far as success is concerned, this is one word which has been understood by everybody and at the same time misunderstood by everybody. So everybody has their own way of looking at it. And we also have done a lot of research. We have studied a plethora of material. We have met and try and interviewed quite a few experts who speak on success and who have themselves created success stories in their life. And after doing all this research, the team Metaversity, we came to a conclusion that there has to be a simple, implementable, and far-fetched and far-reached idea with which we can present and we can give to our society, that this is something that you are supposed to do, because everybody has knowledge, but the knowledge is different because of the culture, because of the exposure, because of the value system, so on and so forth, right? So we have compiled one of the most standard thing, which is fact for the success, and that's the reason why the name of the program is Fact of Success. Now, here I would like to conclude the answer of the first question is, what is, I mean, who are you, what is the organization, and what is the program all about. So at this point in time, I'm sure I can see the comments like, thank you, Rifar, for calling expert like Ankit sir. Divyansh, thank you very much. Even Niharika is saying amazing. Sneha is wowed, and everybody has given a very, very fantastic response. So here I would like to wait for let's say 20 or 30 seconds for you to jot down questions till now. If at all you have questions till now, you might want to just jot it down, and in let's say another 20-25 seconds we'll go to the next question. Right, in the meantime I'm just having a sip of water for the clarity of my voice. And Okay, so Minesh is saying that your acting was good in Hutututu movie. Minesh, I absolutely accept that compliment, and I would just keep it to me and all the rest of the participants who can see this. But as of now, probably this is not the platform that where we would be discussing much about it. You can correct me with me otherwise, and we'll chit chat about the experience that I had from the movie. All right. So I think let's switch on to, or let's go to the second question, which is very frequently asked before joining any of the programs. So the second question that I have is that why this program? I mean, uh, पूरी दुनिया में सब कुछ छोड़ के यही प्रोग्राम हम क्यों करें? ये बहुत ही ऑब्वियस है कि ये क्वेश्चन आता है लोगों के दिमाग में. सो उसका आंसर मुझे ये आप लोगों को देना है. मैं आपके साथ 9 चीजें शेयर करने वाला हूं कि सबसे पहला चीज ये है कि आप सब लोग मुझसे एग्री करोगे. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम श्योर कि आप सब लोग मुझसे एग्री करोगे कि everybody on this earth, they want to aspire, they aspire to become successful, isn't it? So सब लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको सक्सेसफुल होना है. दुनिया में मुझे अभी कोई ऐसा इंसान मिला नहीं है जो बोल रहा है कि नहीं मेरे को तो सक्सेसफुल होना ही नहीं. एंड आई एम श्योर द सेम वुड बी द केस विथ ऑल ऑफ यू. But having said that, there are 9 things that I would like to share. Number one is understanding. Number two is measure of success. Number three is skill and competence. Number four is will to succeed. Number five is approach to success. Number six is the path to success. Number six is methodology to success. Number seven is timeline for everyone to become successful. And number eight is the purpose of success. So if I have to repeat: understanding, measure of success, skills and competition, will to succeed, approach, path, methodology, timeline, and the purpose. So all these 9 things are different for different people. About the success, all these 9 things are different for different people. And whosoever has seen our teaser, which was released when we launched the program for the first time, they would agree that these are the same thing that we were posted out there. That was the content of that teaser, that everybody aspired to become successful, but these are the things that are different for everybody. And at this point in time, I want to ask you that are you 100% sure as to what is your take on these 9 areas? If you are not 100% sure, you should be coming to this program, because what we are going to do is that this program, Fact of Success, would help you to venture, will help you to explore yourself and your ideas into this field, and it will help you to actually set one milestone for yourself and achieve the success. So this is the reason why this program has to be there. Now we are ending up. We are at the end of the second answer of the second FAQ. Before I move on to the third FAQ, as I told you always, I'm going to take a 15 to 20-minute break, and I would want you guys to please note down should you have any questions till now, so that at the end in our question and answer round we can take that question, right? And meanwhile, I'm also checking as to who else has become live. So Chandrakant also is now live. I am happy and glad. If Chandrakant is from Jaipur, and if I know the guy Chandrakant, if he is the one, I would request him to say yes. Okay. So Chandrakant is also vowed. So I believe he is the same Chandrakant. Uh, but okay, so Chandrakant saying yes, Ankit. Thank you very much, buddy. Thank you very much for being here on this platform. And I'm as much happy for rest of the participants as much I'm happy for you. Thank you very much for being here. It's a long year relationships that we share. And let's take the third question. I believe let's come to the point and let's take the third question. So the third question obviously is that who should attend. So we have answered the introduction about who are you, what is your company, and what is the program about. Second is that why this program has to be there. So third, what we are going to answer is that who should attend. So at this point in time, I would want you to write yes as in why or n as in no in the chat box after my three questions. So I'm going to ask first question and wait for your answer. So my first question goes like this, is that do you really want to be successful in your life or more successful than what you are today in your life? Okay, so we have Divyesh saying yes, Meet saying yes, Niharika saying yes, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm just looking for an N. So I'm getting yes, yes, yes from Kausar, Neeraj, Sneha, Minesh, and uh, Sarvanathi S also is saying yes. Siddhika is also saying yes. And I'm sure that almost all of you would say yes to it, right? Now, my second question to all of you. Second question goes like this. And second question is, uh, won't it be helpful to have a mentor along your way till the time you reach your destination? Or would you need a mentor who can help you, a friend, a guide, a coach who can help you and who ensures that whenever you are in trouble, he or she ensures that you reach your destination? Would you need someone like that? Super awesome. So Divyansh is always the first one to reply. So Divyansh, Meet, Niharika, Minish, Sneha, okay, Kausar, Saraswati S, Neeraj, Siddiqui, Chandrakant, everybody is saying yes once again. Super. Now, the third question. And let me do a small magic because I know that the answer would differ out here than just why. So let me give you a question. So the third question is that do you guys have all the time of your life to sit back and relax and wait for success to come the way it want to come in your life and whenever it want to come in your life? Oh, super. So the no started, and this time the winner is Niharika. So Niharika is saying no. Saraswati S is saying no. Meet is saying no. Okay. And okay, so I have a question also. So we have Jagdish. Jagdish is saying no. If it is Mr. Jagdish Booch, I would like to welcome him as well. And you can write it, in the chat box rather than ask questions, so I can read it very easily. And Divyesh is saying, please repeat your question again. Okay. So Divyesh, my question is that do all of us who are currently on this platform has all the time of their life to sit back and relax and wait for success to come at whatever the time it want to come and whatever the way it want to come? इसको अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि क्या आपके पास पूरी जिंदगी का समय है कि आप बैठ के चिल मार सको कि भैया ठीक है, सक्सेस को जब आना है तब आए, जैसे आना है वैसे आए, अपने तो यहाँ बैठे हैं? या तो अगर गुजराती में कहूँ, आई नो दिव्येश कि आपका नो आंसर आ गया है, बट दिस इज फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ एवरीबॉडी. सो इट कम्स as you work towards your goal. Absolutely. But how do you work towards your goal so that you can minimize the time? How do you do that? And there are multiple things that we are going to work out here. So Siddhika Zahir, thank you very much for putting in that words of wisdom, right? So what I was trying to say is that if the answer of first two question is yes, And if the answer to the third question is an absolute no, then let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this is the program for you. You must get enrolled into this program to be benefited, because we are going to give you a specifically customized blueprint for you from wherever you are in your life stage to become successful and at least go to the next level. If you are here with us, if you are going to remain as a friend and attached with us, we will ensure that you will go multiple step ahead in your life. But at least for first, first step, you will definitely cross once you enroll for this program. And Jagdishwe, thank you very much. You finally found the way of chatting with me. So happy to connect. I am also very much happy to connect with you. So we have discussed till now three questions or three frequently asked concerns. Number one is the introduction of myself, introduction of the organization, and introduction about my program. Second, we discussed about why this program. And third, we were discussing just a moment before is why or who should attend, right? Okay. So Niharika has a question, and the question, I'm just reading out the question. I might answer it in the question and answer section, Niharika. So please don't mind. And her question is this: what do you think should be the right time to start a business, especially looking at the current scenario? This is an awesome question, Niharika. Please note it down. And if I miss to answer it in the end, please retype it. Most probably I'll not miss it. But as of now, allow me to proceed and complete my FAQs, and then we'll proceed ahead. And will in the question and answer section, we'll take your question first. Fair enough. So, do I get a yes from you, Niharika, to proceed further? As a respected participant, I'm just waiting for your yes in chat box. Thank you very much, Niharika. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the next question, question number 4. So question number 4 is, what will you get once you enroll for the program? Once you are there on the program, what will you get? So number one is that at this point in time, let me share with you the philosophy of Metaversity. We are operating in this online training and learning space. It's a choice. It's not by chance. It's a very thoughtful decision of Team Metamorphosis and Metaversity to spread the knowledge via this platform. So we are here to give, and Metaversity is going to be India's one of the first organization who is going to follow the open door policy. So there is nothing that would be happening behind the curtain except for the preparation to serve you better. So everything, whatever we are knowing, whatever the knowledge we have, we are going to share it with each one of you. Apart from that, during the program, once you enroll, there are certain videos that are to be utilized and to be viewed for by all of you, to be watched by all of you time and again. So all those videos you'll be getting a lot of PDFs, you'll be getting Word files, you'll be getting PowerPoint presentations that are there in those 10 modules of the program. You are going to get assignments, you're going to get a lot of formats, and if you compile all of that, it would become your own personal success guidebook. So let me tell you, friends, if you are of the age of 5 or you are age of 50, this is the program which would definitely impact in bringing transformation in your life. So these are all things that you are going to get. Moreover, you will be very happy to know this, that as I told you that we have an open door policy, so nothing is going to be hidden. Let me share with all of you that we are going to give you all this material that I've just mentioned. So that is videos, PDF, Word, PPTs, assignments, formats, everything. We are going to give you in 2 different copies. Now you might want to ask, why 2 different copies? So 2 different copies are because one copy would be our branded Metaversity copy for you to utilize and for us to have our own records. But another copy we are going to give you white labeled. So there will be no branding of Metaversity. It would be purely your thing. You might want to use it by your name for others to use it and help them, or you might want to make certain changes and use it for your benefit. So we will be very happy, because we want this particular program and this particular theory and this particular philosophy should be spreading across the globe like a wildfire, right? Okay, so shall we continue further? Okay, so Kiran is saying, I have just joined. All right, Kiran, that's fair. For the benefit of Kiran, let me tell you before we move on to the next question is that uh, whatever the question and answer we are doing it right now from my end, that are pre-decided FAQs with by our experience, that इतने questions तो पूछते ही हैं लोग. This many questions are obviously asked before somebody signed for a paid program. So उसके वो सारे questions, all those questions, we have a pre-recorded video that would be uploaded on our YouTube channel of Metaversity by tomorrow evening. And I would like to request each one of you to again go there, subscribe the channel, because otherwise also we are going to share a lot of free and paid material over there. So you can subscribe the channel and you can watch all these videos, whosoever has joined in late, or if at all you want to share it with one of you, some of your friends who says that अरे यार मेरे को पहले बताना चाहिए था, मैं इस webinar में आ जाता. So I would request each one of you to spread that word. So with that, shall we move ahead with the next question, please? Can I have yes or why from you people, so that we can move ahead? Super. So we have Jagdish Bhai saying yes. We have Meet saying okay. Super. I also just wanted to check the involvement, and I'm pretty much glad that everybody has been glued to this session. Thank you. Okay. So next question in line is that, which would be the fifth question, and it says, what will you learn? आप इसमें सीखेंगे क्या? Now this is also very important. So what will you learn? So the answer to this goes like this, that as you already know, that as Team Metaversity, we are here to give. We are here to just give and give, and we are on a mission of transforming people that comes to our contact and who are in vicinity and who are there on this earth, and we can approach them. So, in that particular, keeping that particular aspect in mind, first of all, we are going to understand success, the word success, from different aspects. We are going to have 360-degree, dissection, or you can say 360-degree overview of this word success. Like, how do you look at it? How do people who are attached to you look at your success? How do the people whom you look up to look at your success? How do the people whom you look up to look at your success? How are your friends look at your success? How is your family look at your success? And this is just one aspect. Then it comes to how much willingness you have, how to increase the willingness, how to decide your milestones so that you can become successful, so on and so forth. So there are multiple things that we are going to discuss in this. That is one. Number two is, we are going to discuss in depth about the very theory that has been developed by Metaversity, which is the fact of success, on which this particular program has been named. So let me tell you, friends, FACT, fact of success, is a theory wherein, as a team, there is a cumulative experience of 100 years that has came into operation to create this program, and we have spent more than 1,000 hours to create this very unique program called Fact of Success. So another thing what we are going to discuss about is that, what is the fact of success all about? What is the theory all about? What is the concept? What is the psychology? What is the process? What are the systems? What are the formats? Everything about fact theory of Metaversity. That is second thing that we are going to discuss. Another thing, we are also going to discuss about, three different aspects. Like, there are stages of success in the theory of in the fact theory. So at every stage, I mean, before the stage, I mean, pre-preparation, before you enter the stage, during the stage, I mean, whenever you are on that stage, what you should be doing. And third is after that stage, what you should be doing. So pre-preparation, during the stage and after that stage. At every stage, all the three different aspects we are going to discuss कि पहले क्या करना है, जब आप वहां पहुंचो तब क्या करना है, और जब आप वहां से गुजर के आगे निकलो अगले स्टेज के लिए तब क्या करना है. So this is absolutely in detail we are going to discuss about it. Okay, so Sudha is saying that's awesome. Welcome, Sudha. Thank you very much. Then ऐसा हेनरी फोर्ड ने एक सेंटेंस बोला था कि जब आप अपनी नजरें गोल से हटाते हो तभी आपको ऑब्स्टिकल दिखते हैं. और ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, जिनकी मैंने इस सेशन की शुरुआत में बात की थी, स्वामी विवेकानंद, उन्होंने उन्होंने ये बोला था कि अगर आप दिन की शुरुआत करते हो और अगर आपको कोई अड़चन नहीं आती है तो आप समझ लो आप गलत रास्ते पर. So let me share the same thing in English. That Henry Ford said that, when you take your eyes off from the goal, then and then only you happen to see the obstacle. Wherein Swami Vivekananda said that if you are going on a track on a day, on a particular day, and you don't find any hurdles, that means you are on a wrong track. तो हमारी इस सक्सेस के जर्नी में there will be challenges that will come on the way. बट हाउ टू ओवरकम दोस चैलेंजेस, उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी हम आपको देंगे. एंड इट वुड बी आल्सो कस्टमाइज्ड. मतलब मान लो कि अगर यहाँ पर अभी 15 लोग हैं एंड ऑल द 15 पीपल हैव देयर डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस. So we are going to answer your individual and particular challenge that you are facing to attain your success. जैसे कि निहारिका ने अभी पूछा था कि ऐसे समय में देख करके कभी बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहिए, ये मैं अपने आप को याद दिला रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर टाइम के लिए. या सो इस तरीके के इंडिविजुअल question that are self-centered, that you yourself are interested to know, we would be answering. उसके बाद we are going to give you lot of assignment to be done on individual basis as well as in a group basis. So you can also connect offline with each other. You can complete the assignment and come back to us in the next session, or before that you have to submit the assignments and we are going to do it. So एक ये है. And last but not the least is that even after the program is over, we would be doing group coaching, we would be doing mentoring also, one-to-one if required. Of course, it depends as to how much is needed. 100% available, and we would be ensuring that it happens. So hand holding for long term, even after the program would be finished. And let me tell you out here that आज जैसे आप अभी मुझे सुन रहे हो, उसी तरीके से I am sure that there will be a day where almost all of you, or probably most of you, or probably more than you people who are currently there, they would be there on the program. और वो दिन भी आएगा जिस दिन मैं 10th मॉड्यूल में ये बोलूंगा कि पता ही नहीं चला और ये प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया. तो उसके बाद भी we would stay connected, and I would be hand holding each one of you personally, as well as finding the group which you will never find anywhere else on this earth. कि आपके सक्सेस के लिए कोई इतना लगा हुआ है कि आपको सोने नहीं देगा और खुद सोएगा नहीं. I will not sleep and I will not let you sleep until and unless you become successful. But only that success which you have committed and decided for yourself. I'll not be after you कि नहीं कुछ decide करो आपको आना ही है. I'll not push you. But if you are willing to do that, I am game, and I have taken a personal oath that whoever comes in this program, they should be able to proudly say that yes, I have attained this one success only because of this program. That is going to be the success of this program, right? So this is something that you guys are going to learn. And at this point also, before I go to the last question, and then we open up for question and answer session, let me take a break once again for 15-20 seconds, as I always do after the question answer of the FAQs. And you guys please jot down your questions, and then because after this question, after the next question, the open Q&A round would start. So before I go to the last question, let me once again have a sip of water, and you guys might want to jot down the question to post when the Q&A session starts. All right, super. So I believe everybody has written their questions and uh, uh, ready to listen to the last FAQ that has been prepared by us, that is Metaversity, Team Metaversity. Fair enough. So, okay. So Divyansh is saying after becoming successful on stages, I would say, yeah, success के पीछे रिफायर एक्सपर्ट का सुपर ये सक्सेस के पीछे रिफायर एक्सपर्ट का हाथ है क्या बात है सुपर थैंक यू वेरी मच और मेरी एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है आपसे क्योंकि आप बहुत अच्छा हंस रहे हो एटलीस्ट स्माइली के द्वारा दिव्यांश तो थोड़ा ये बोल देना कि रिफायर और मेटावर्सिटी के एक्सपर्ट्स का हाथ है बिकॉज इट इज आई मस्ट मेंशन कि अगर मेटावर्सिटी नहीं होता या रिफायर दोनों में से एक भी नहीं होता तो ये प्रोग्राम उस तरीके से नहीं होता जिस तरीके से हमने एक्चुअली अनविजन किया था एंड आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट एंड लव टीम रिफायर फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस. So let's go to the last question. I have my friends and my well wishers who have filled up my glass again for me to sip during the session. So let's go for the last question that is prepared by us. So last question is that what is the next step? अब क्या करना है? अब जो जानना था वो तो जान लिया या तो आपको जो बताना था आप बता चुके. Whatever was there in your kitty you shared. Now what's the next step? So next step is very simple. Let me share the format. The program is going to be of 10 modules of 1 hour. I repeat, the program is going to be of 10 modules of 1 hour. And that would be spread across the couplets of Saturday and Sunday. So that will be 5 couplets of Saturday and Sunday. Right? Okay. Now, in those 5 Saturday and Sunday, I am announcing 2 slots out of which any one slot you can register yourself, you can book your seat. Now, slot number 1 would be 4 to 5 on Saturday and Sunday, and slot number 2 would be 8 to 9 in the evening. So 4 to 5 in the afternoon, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. and another slot would be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. You may choose to have booked any one slot. So either you can be a participant in 4 to 5 slot or you can be a participant in 8 to 9 slot. Now, my request to each one of you is that since these are 10 sessions, there might be an urge that we may say कि अरे भाई मैं 4 से 5 में ये अटेंड नहीं कर पाया क्या मैं 8 से 9 वाले में कर लूं आज आप करने ही वाले हो. So let me tell you that when there is an open door policy or when there is everything is transparent, we also have to be very disciplined and for your good, because this program has a lot of customization. So I don't want that once you come to a different group there will be different set of questions, there will be different set of psychology, there will be different set of mindset who would be operating. So as much as possible, until and unless completely unavoidable circumstances है, बी वेरी क्लियर, अगर आप 4 से 5 का स्लॉट सिलेक्ट करते हो तो पूरा प्रोग्राम 4 to 5 वाले स्लॉट में कंप्लीट करो, और अगर आप 8 से 9 वाला स्लॉट सिलेक्ट करते हो तो पूरा प्रोग्राम 8 से 9 में सिलेक्ट कंप्लीट करो. So do not intermingle or do not mix the slots and do not send us request that 4 to 5 I'm enrolled in 4 to 5 but I missed it, I want to attend 8 to 9. So please let's not do that. However, let me tell you that this is not the last time but the first time when we are launching the program. So there is always going to be a second time offer. This is the program which is just started and it is going to remain there on Refire platform. So this is another thing. Third thing I want to say, so what I said is there will be 10 sessions and there will be 5 Saturday Sundays that we would be utilizing with 2 slots. Another thing is that the program will begin on 25th of April, which is a Saturday. So 25th, 26th would be the date, and then further if I just have to share with you, it would be like you can calculate the Saturdays and Sundays, and if I'm not mistaken, it is ending at somewhere around so 16, 17 would be the 7th and 8th session in the May, and after that, so there will be about 23rd and 24th would be the Saturday, Sunday in the May. but this is how we are going to go. So first two sessions of Saturday Sunday would happen in April, and rest of four couplets of Saturday Sunday would happen in May. So that is going to be there. Now each session would be of 1 hour, wherein we'll discuss one module each. Okay, fair enough. So up till now, whatever I wanted to share with you, I have shared. And with this, I would like to declare the question and answer round open for next about 5, 7, 10 minutes for us to actually ask any questions that you have in mind. So I'm ready and I'm waiting for the questions from your end. So by the time you decide and you type, let me take Niharika's question. So Niharika had asked a question. Okay, is this a certificate course? Meet. Superb. So since this is a direct question and a very short answer attached to it, of course, yes. Thank you very much, Meet, for asking this. Every one of the attendees are going to get a completion certificate for this program, and it might not seem to have any value today, but your performance will give value to this certificate. And let me tell you that we are going to discuss such a practical aspect in this program that you yourself would value the certificate much more than anyone else in the world. So thank you very much, Meet, for asking that question. Now coming to Niharika's question, and Niharika has a question that when do you think should be the right time to start a business, especially looking at the current scenario? So, Niharika, I hope you are there. Can I have a yes from you so that I can answer the question? I'm sure everyone else is also listening. Okay, Niharika. So the answer to your question in a very simple manner is that there is always, or there is no bad time to do a good thing, right? So if you connect, or if you perceive, or if you take into the count that these are the times and I want to do this at this point in time, then there will be always an imbalance. So let me share with you very clearly that if you are willing to start a business, just start a business. And publicly, I'm happy to share my story that before 8 years, when I had all the responsibility of my family, my first son, my elder son, was already going to a high school, and I had all the bills to be paid, and I had only a few $1,000 in my account, and I quit the job and I started my business. And today, you see, I'm probably I am if I have to statistically represent the success of my business, then let me tell you that my monthly outflow as Team Metamorphosis and Metaversity is 3 times than what I was drawing as my last salary. So can you imagine? So this is the kind of thing. So it's not actually timing of starting, it's time in the business that you spend. You have to be persistent, you have to be there, and if you are sticking to that, success has to come to your doorstep. So I believe, Niharika, I have been able to answer your query to the satisfaction, looking at the time frame. And this is something which can be a point of discussion on our program also, Niharika. So I would invite you to be a part of it. Okay, then Minesh is asking what will be trading charges. Okay, super. So Minesh, can we wait for one or two more questions from people before I reveal the main thing, because I was waiting for someone to ask me this question. Super. Thank you, Minesh. Do we have any other questions from avid participants like Mr. Jagdish or Sudha or Kausar or Siddika Zahir, or you guys are absolutely sold with the concept? All right. Okay. So by the time they type their questions, let me answer Minesh's question without creating any kind of surprises or any kind of mm, ambiguities. Yeah. So Minesh, the answer is you know uh, uh, is that generally or in a normal and natural routine, Metaversity has floated the pricing for this 10 module program with a certificate. The price of this program in general is 10,000 rupees. Having said that, we are launching our program on Refire, and it's a promotional offer that for limited period of time we thought of keeping it as at 5,000 rupees. And now listen to me very carefully, and you guys would be pretty much happy that in current scenario, looking at the current scenario, and Minesh, I think this would probably answer your second question also, that what will be your response of corona crisis on economy. So I'll come to that, but to help and do our bit, we specially would like to announce that this particular program, which is priced at 10,000, and as a promotional offer we had kept it on Refire at 5,000 for this particular batch, for the first batch, or maybe for the second batch, we are not very much sure, but for this first batch of 4 to 5 or 8 to 9, I mean team Metaversity, me and Refire team has decided to offer this program at an unbelievable price of 2,000 rupees plus GST. So the whole package of 10 modules would come to you with a certificate and with group coaching and with hand holding, right? In just the 2000, in just 2,000 rupees plus GST. Thank you very much, Meet, for being so excited. And he's saying, "Oh, great, that's superb." Minesh is saying, "Excellent, superb." And Sudha is saying, "That's great, quite competitive pricing. Thank you very much." In between, okay, fair. So, okay, Sneha is saying great, and I think Jagdish Bhai is saying that at the moment, as you have touched everything, I have nothing to ask. So, thank you very much, guys. Okay, Jagdish Bhai saying unbelievable announcement. Yeah, Jagdish Bhai, see, as the time is absolutely unbelievable, we as Team Metaversity has to do something which is unbelievable. The kind of work that we have poured in, the kind of efforts we have poured in, even honestly speaking, as all of you are just like friends to me, 10,000 rupees was not the price, because see, I tell you, for any knowledge piece or for any such kind of experience, there are two tag. People generally look at it from price point of view. We look at it from the value point of view. So the value of the program is way too higher than even 10,000 bucks. But for us to be a part of it and for us to be benefited, we want to keep it at 2,000. It was a very conscious decision of Team Metaversity and Refire that these first two programs are definitely going to be at 2,000 plus GST. Chandrakant is saying great through program design and charges. Superb. Thank you very much. Okay, so Jagdish Bhai is saying kudos to Team Metaversity and Refire team. MS is saying how to book a slot. Okay, so MS, can you write down your full name so that I can address you properly? And in between, Minesh is saying what material you will provide. So let me reiterate. I already had answered this. Okay, so he's Madhusudan Rao. Okay, Madhusudan, how are you? I think I know you. Okay, so Minesh, to answer your query as to what material are you going to provide? So we are going to give you videos, we are going to give you PDFs, we are going to give you PPTs, we are going to give you Word files, we are going to give you formats, we are going to give you assignments that are to be done individually or in group, and we are going to give you much more thing. I think Savan has posted a link where you guys can enroll yourself. Is that correct, Savan? If that's the case, please write yes so that MS or Madhusudan Rao can get the answer, right? Okay, yes. So that is the one. So you can go on that link and you can register yourself. And yeah, so coming back to Minesh, let me repeat that the videos, the PPTs, the PDFs, the Excels, the Word files, the assignments, the formats. We are going to share everything to you. We are going to share even the PPTs that has been discussed. So everything we are going to share with you. And as I told you, not only in one copy, but we are going to share it in two copies. So one would be a branded Metaversity documents that you can download, and another would be a white label thing कि अगर आपको अपने लिए यूज करना है या अपने और से उसमें कुछ चेंज करके लोगों को में शेयर करना है तो वो भी आप कर सकते हो, right? So any problem, if you find any problem in registering, we are here to help. Yeah, so Savan has always been so instrumental. Savan is from Refire and he is always so instrumental in helping us get the things done. So I believe, let me ask you one more time that we have another, let's say 1 or 2 minutes before we end this session. We might repeat this free webinar for our more and more participants to join in either of the program slot of Fact of Success, either 4 to 5 or either 8 to 9, starting from 25th of April. So I would urge each one of you to spread the word and share your experiences, right, for this. So Niharika is saying, looking forward to it. Guys, if you have any more questions, I have last 1 minute, and then we would like to wind up this conversation. All right. So, Savan, I believe we are almost done, and I would be, ending the meeting in next 1 minute with this concluding message that all these questions. Thanks for the informative session. Thank you very much, Meet. And let me tell you guys that whatever the questions or whatever the FAQs I've answered right now, let me reiterate that all the pre-recorded videos would be uploaded on YouTube by tomorrow evening. So you can subscribe to our channel Metaversity and you can have a look at the answers again. Most probably, I think I have stick to the script. Once you will see the video, you would realize that. Second thing, what I would like to share with all of you is that we may do another session like this. So invite as much as friends as possible, and Refire would do the needful to arrange the session. And third thing that I would like to share with you here is that there is a surprise for you. This session also has been recorded live, and this session also we are going to keep it on YouTube for the benefit of everybody out here. So you can have a look at your own session that you have attended, so that nobody can go back to what we have committed, because we have to be disciplined, we have to be open, we have to be transparent. So I would like to thank each and every participant here, and I would really like to wish you all the best. And I personally am very much eager to share this fact of success program with millions and billions of people. And I would wish that the first group should be like the one with whom I'm talking to currently. So I would want each and every participants to be there on the program on 25th, either in 4 to 5 slot or in 8 to 9 slot. And with that, I wish you all the best. Let's spell a greater success with a new you, and let's be successful to the next level in our life by attending Fact of Success. Thank you very much, and bye-bye, guys. See you again soon on 25th.